The last one I called my crybaby sale because I didn't want to sell it and I'm acting like a crybaby. I wanted to keep it. Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. This is a what sold on eBay video, and before I get started, my name is Dave. I'm a part-time YouTube content creator. I'm a part-time reseller, primarily eBay, a little bit Mercari, a little bit Craigslist. This is a video on what's sold for new resellers, regardless of your platform, so you don't waste your time and your resources and money buying things that don't resell. I give you what I paid for it, what it's sold for, how it shipped, and you can do the math and figure out what my general gross profit is on that. So I like to do a video like this once a week, and I sold 10 items since the last what sold on eBay video. If you remember on the older video, it was like a haul video, state sale haul, thrift store haul. I bought this vintage antique mousetrap. Haven't listed it yet, but you know, I was playing with it the other day and I figured out how to set it. You put this here. Here, Joey, stick your finger in here after I set it. Oh yeah, I forgot you don't have hands. That's not gonna work. So anyway, it works. All four of these traps work, and the lettering is really cool. Might just have to put this on the wall and keep it. I don't know, but I'll probably end up selling it. You sure you don't want to stick your finger in there? Okay. All right, so this is what sold, but before I get into that, I also want to mention that I have merch. So I went to Teespring and I set up some merchandise. Cloth mask, not this exact one. This is a very expensive one I got from Vistaprint, so that's the only one. But I do have Midwest Picker and Enoch merchandise, cloth mask and coffee mugs, t-shirts, and canvas bags. So down below in the description, there's midwestpicker.com link. You can go there and it'll take you to it, or there's a link directly to my store at Teespring. You can just click on that. And it's pretty cool merchandise. I got some samples coming, so pretty soon I'll be wearing, you know, the Midwest Picker t-shirt. I have to adjust the camera to get that. Definitely will wear that when I go out into the wild to source. So let's talk about what sold. First item that sold are 2 boxes of blank DVDs. These took about a year to sell. They do sell. Old technology will sell. Blank CDs, blank DVDs. If you remember those mini hard drives, all that kind of stuff, especially if it's brand new sealed in the package, grab it if you can get it at a good price. Don't remember really what I paid for these, but I sold these for about $9 a piece, and it was a volume discount, so the numbers are a little wonky. But yeah, that shipped out today. Next is a set of tiles, my first tiles. So I sourced these tiles just probably a week ago. Previous video I talked about them. They're this glossy black tiles. Got 15 in a box. Basically paid 26 cents per tile. So I sold these 4 tiles. Cost of goods is about $1, and they sold for $12.95 plus shipping on top. And I do offer a volume discount if you buy more. So yeah, that was really cool. I didn't think they'd sell that fast, but they did. This next item is a tape applicator. So if you do any painting, this is a gizmo where you load masking tape or painter's masking tape, and then you run it around door frames and windows and all that. Me and Mrs. Midwest went to a home show probably 5 years ago, and we bought this and we never used it. Well, I was in the laundry room looking for storage space so I could put more inventory in a different room. And I saw this sitting on a shelf, brand new in the package, never been used. Have no idea what the cost of goods is, but it did sell. $19.95 plus shipping on top. So because I bought it about 5 years ago, out of the home budget, I would say cost of goods is $0. This next item is a nice little lesson. I listed this as a candy dish anchor hocking uranium glass. And it was up for a couple months, didn't get a lot of views, no watchers at all, definitely no offers. And then out of the blue, a guy messaged me, and it wasn't Tim from over the years, it was somebody else who really knows glass, and they were nice about it, and they messaged me and said, hey, you know, that's really Hazel Atlas, it's not anchor hocking, and it's not a candy dish, it's a round butter dish, and a round dome goes on the top, just thought you should know. Well, thank goodness he did that. So I got on Google and I did more research. I confirmed everything he said was absolutely true. So I changed my title, I changed my description, and then within probably 2 weeks it sold. Had it listed for $15.95. I took a best offer of $13 plus shipping on top. Cost of goods, I think, was about $4. My new friend Martha Stewart. I just love Martha Stewart products. I don't really know Martha Stewart personally, but whenever I see her products brand new in the package, I grab them, and they sell really, really well. Thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, wherever you can get them. I don't care what it is. I even sold a salt pig. What the heck is a salt pig? I had to look it up. I found it at a Salvation Army. It was about this big, a little ceramic, I don't know what it was, a little vessel with a little spoon in it. All it said was Martha Stewart salt pig. I didn't care. It was 50 cents. I grabbed it, and that thing sold right away. These are like little hooks. Cost of goods on these wooden hooky thingies was $2, and I did research it. They comped as high as 30, as low as 20. Listed them for $19.95 with offers turned on, and within a few hours, bam, it sold. No offers at all. They just bought it with shipping on top. And I thought, dang it, I could have listed it for more, probably $25, $28. Oh well, lesson learned. But what you do learn from watching this video is anything Martha Stewart branded is going to sell very well. So that was my whoopsie for this video. Next is a 1952 National Jockey Club horse racing program. This sold for $15, cost of goods about $3. If you watch my older videos, you know I won a lot of 33 horse racing programs for $100 on What the Hales auction. They have auctions every Sunday night. Look at my previous videos. I sold one of those horse racing programs for $178. Some of them for $50, $60. The rest are selling for anywhere from $12 to $15 to $20, so they are selling well. I've more than tripled my money. I think I've almost quadrupled my money. Next is a dud. The first dud for this video. This is a hockey puck. Came in a plastic case. It's Detroit Red Wings. I got this at a flea market last year, probably July of 19. It was on a dollar table. I listed it for $8.95 plus shipping on top, and it took that long, over a year to sell. I did take a best offer of $5 just to get rid of it. I can't believe somebody offered me $5, but they paid shipping, and it's gone. Next are Lenox reciprocating saw blades. I sold 3 packages for $33. I bought a bunch of tools from Peter Craigslist Hunter. I can't really do the math on my cost of goods because I got this giant box for like $230. So I did the math one day and divided them up. I think it's about $4.44 a piece is my cost of goods. So I sold 3 of these. So cost of goods about $13, and it sold for $33. I'm not sure if that was a best offer or a volume discount. Because there was 3, I offer a volume discount. I don't remember what it was. Maybe he offered me $11 a piece if he bought 3, something like that. I don't know. It's weird to have a sale price come out exactly $33, but they're super light, padded envelope, first class. The buyer paid shipping. Next is this Coleman lantern. I did mention this in an earlier video. This was an auction. This is kind of a lesson. I was intending to keep this, but I decided to sell it. So I participated on an online auction that has a local pickup. I won 3 Coleman lanterns. This was the most expensive one. Paid around $74, and then with the buyer premium, sales tax, I think the buyer premium was like 18%. It was crazy. So it came out to my cost of goods is around $84, but it did sell for decent money at auction, $139. Buyer paid shipping, no big deal. The previous video, that's right, it's called This Buyer Freaked Me Out or something like that, where I explain in detail who bought it and why they bought it. So watch that video. It's very interesting. The last one I called my crybaby sale because I didn't want to sell it and I'm acting like a crybaby. I wanted to keep it. I collect knives. I collect a bunch of stuff over here. And if you're a knife collector, you know the brand Case is a very high quality, highly desired knife. So I went to a live auction probably the spring of 2019, froze my butt off. It was in Mount Pleasant, Michigan. It was about 48 degrees that day. And live auctions in person can take all day. This one took 9 hours. It was nuts. But they held up this little knife kit or knife gift set, and a lot of guys there knew what it was. I can't believe I won it for $10. It was amazing. So I've had it in my eBay store for a long time for $89.95. I think I lowered the price to $79.95. And then I was in the thrift battle. Dominic's channel, the Primetime Treasure Hunter. I was one of the competitors in the reselling battle, and I had 5 products that I put up in the battle. One of them was this gift set with this case knife. I did end up losing the battle, but that's okay. That's all right. I took his advice, and that's why I lost. But this knife is so cool, I really wanted to keep it bad. And I don't own a case knife. Of all my knives I own, and I own some good ones, I don't have a single case, so I wanted to kind of keep it. So I listed it high, hoping nobody would buy it, and Mrs. Midwest wouldn't find out, and I could keep it. But somebody sent me an offer for $60 plus shipping on top. I had to sell it. So cost of goods is $10. Took a best offer of $60. It really is worth about 80 bucks, but you know what? You got to sell it. You can't keep everything, and they paid shipping. So there you go. So that's it, guys. Real quick video. I hope it was quick of what sold on eBay in the last week. I hope you learned something. I had a whoopsie. I had a crybaby moment. All different kinds. One that took over a year to sell. The Coleman lantern, I was going to keep it, but then I sold it. I still have one Coleman left to sell. I'm not sure if I'm going to auction that or just do a buy it now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, shoot me a question down in the comment section. You can email me. My link is down below. And if you're looking for how-to videos, how to ship, how to source, how to list, how to research, how to determine what platform to sell on, I have how-to videos, and they're all linked down below, so check those out. And you can share them too. You can share this video. There's a share button down there. If you know anybody new to reselling, you can share this and send it to them and help them out. Hit that thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way every time I upload a video, you get a notification. That's it. Any last words? No, he's mad now because I made a joke about him not having hands. See you guys in the next video.